we need something to done about this river. That we kill a cow up at the dam head and make it run down the stream and see if this thing can over with. We need something to done about this river. That we kill a cow up at the dam head and make it run down the stream and see if this thing can over with. So we're there to participate whenever time anything wrong. Anyone go over there, we're there to participate. But as well we said, we never yet get any help. Uncle Howard we see them do it. And what? We now get the fame. Fireman, them and the government, them are get the fame. Policeman and all of them are get the fame.
So the drivers are not recognized?
Yeah, they're not recognized. So them think that
and you
really
want humane service?
Yeah. And as we always say, when you take out a man out of the river, if you don't know what you are doing, that person can drown you if you don't skill enough. You understand? Because my fight to save him life. And you have to skill and have experience to take him out. And any man can do that. You have to brave. And as I always say, we now get no one now come around and come recognize me and say, alright, we give thanks to the Rio Cobre. Only thing we see them do, we have one for award, say diver, Rio Cobre diver, with the name on it.